Just a quick update on the apple tree. The last video we pruned, well, we didn't prune it, we pollarded this apple tree because it's full of holes. There's one there, there's another one there, and it's actually on all the other big branches, but yet the apple tree is still alive because it's got lots of new shoots, so that's looking promising. So hopefully this apple tree will be okay. So these holes don't seem to have gone any worse since we've cut it, but we'll keep an eye on it and we'll see how we go. Well, I think it's been pollarded before in the past, and I think they've had these holes in it for a long time. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure about this one here, whether in the future that'll need to come off, and we just keep these for. We just keep those for there, but we'll see. So yeah, it's looking good. I'll keep you updated on its progress. Thanks for watching. See you all later.
Well, finally got to this stage. Going to start doing this bathroom now. Got to take the ceiling down, take these tiles off. This wall here is like it's made of chalk. So I've got the tiles off and then break the wall down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my music on because I like to listen to music, and then I'm going to put this on fast time if you don't mind. Okay then, let's get on. I'm going to take all these tiles off the walls because I'm just coming up with ideas in my head all the time for which way we're going to do this. We've already bought the bath here, which is, do you need to call it a slip back or something? I don't know. It's roll top bath, but it goes high and then dips down. So we've got that. Now we've just got to be looking for, we've got to look on the internet so we can find the old style sinks and the old style toilet systems. And then the shower is the main problem. Didn't want not modern looking, so we're going to have to see what we can do with the shower. It's going to be a 1200 shower that we want. On another note, I've been looking. So anyone wants to give us any ideas or they've got any ideas, just let us know in the comments, and honestly I'll listen. And I'd appreciate it, you know, I appreciate them as well. But yeah, what I want to do in here is I want to have it half and half. So because I've got my pipes going in, I want my pipes to be hidden. So what I was thinking, I was going to have it half and half in like a tin, like a batten, you know, like basically like the T&G. The T&G going round, right around, and then all the top half, you know, pointed up in the line motor. Well, yeah, it's just things I'm thinking about, little ideas which come with me head all the time. I want to take these off and see what I've got behind it. So I've got these, I've got them, that, and I've got that. So I'm going to crack on with that. But yeah, as I say, if anyone's got any ideas that they could put across to me, you know, on which way to make the bathroom look original and old. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to crack on taking these cells off. Look what I've just found there. That's not good. They're supposed to have junction boxes on so you can get access to them. And I think that is under French law as well. And that one was buried behind tiles. Not even with the cover on it, just a tile. Disgusting. here we go. This is it. Got to take this plaster off now. And the ceiling's coming down white now. Got my coat bag, I've got my mask on, boiler suit, the steel toe caps. I'm going to drag that thing down because it's literally doing my head. Yeah, and then just a matter of getting all this off then. Go to this plaster. Expose the bricks. And then yeah. Decide on where you're going to do. But I think it's just got to be pointed halfway and then the rest is going to be panelled out. Right, let's get some tools.